Hello there. Welcome back to Cypherock X1 tutorials. In today's video, you will learn how to buy crypto on the cySync app using Binance. So follow along. On the cySync app sidebar, select Buy Crypto. Select the fiat currency. I am selecting INR. Select the cryptocurrency. I am selecting Bitcoin. Enter the amount. The displayed price is inclusive of the transaction fees. The minimum and maximum amount will depend upon the coin pairs that you have selected, that is the fiat and the cryptocurrency selected. You will get an estimate of the amount of the crypto you will receive. Select the wallet name. Select the account. Choose the payment method. There are multiple payment methods available. For this tutorial, we will be selecting UPI. Log into Binance. If you don't already have a Binance account, then create one. Make sure the amount and the payment method is correct. Select UPI for doing a P2P transaction. You will be connected to another seller. Note, please follow the guidelines shared by Binance for interacting with sellers for P2P. After the seller has received the money, he will release the funds. Now you have successfully purchased the crypto, which you can now withdraw to the Cypherock X1 hardware wallet. Congratulations, you have successfully learned how to buy crypto using the cySync app.